In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Deliveroo order in a few easy steps. Whether you've accidentally placed an order or simply changed your mind, I'll guide you through the process of canceling your order with efficiency and clarity. Start by opening your Deliveroo app. Take a moment to make sure your app is properly installed and updated to ensure you have access to all the current features and functions. Once you have the app open, you'll need to log into your account. This step is crucial because Deliveroo requires that you access your account to manage any orders you've made. Be sure to enter your credentials carefully to avoid any issues logging in. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your active order. This is a section where Deliveroo consolidates all the current orders that are being processed or waiting delivery. From here, you'll be able to view the order you wish to cancel. Once you've located your active order, look for the Help option. This typically appears as a button or a menu item within the order details. Selecting Help is essential because it connects you with the customer service options needed to address your orders. Upon accessing the Help menu, you'll be presented with various options related to your order assistance. Look for the option to cancel your order. This is where you'll find the specific choice that allows you to halt the processing of your current delivery. Deliveroo sometimes allows you to cancel without needing to contact customer support, but be mindful that in some scenarios, particularly if the order is already being prepared, there might be restrictions or limitations. Once you have selected to cancel, you'll typically be prompted to confirm your cancellation decision. This step acts as a safety measure to ensure that orders are not canceled inadvertently. It might ask you to provide a reason for cancellation or simply confirm that you wish to cancel the chosen order. After confirming your cancellation, it's always a good idea to double check that your order has been successfully canceled. You should receive a confirmation message or notification within the app indicating that the process is complete. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated the cancellation process on Deliveroo. Canceling an order on Deliveroo is straightforward and doesn't have to be stressful as long as you follow each step carefully. Hopefully, this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.